Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics properly, only way. Begin by mastering core concepts and definitions before attempting complex problems. Break topics into small chunks, then connect them through examples and diagrams. Use active problem solving with varied difficulty, and always explain solutions aloud as if teaching someone else. Track progress in a simple journal, revisit weak areas weekly, and prioritize depth over speed to build durable understanding. Adopt active practice habits that force engagement rather than passive reading. Work problems by hand, narrate your reasoning, and write brief summaries after each session. Mix targeted drills with cumulative reviews to strengthen recall and problem selection skills. Incorporate conceptual questions to test understanding, and schedule short, frequent sessions rather than marathon studying to maintain focus and improve long-term memory retention. Choose resources that match your learning style and stick with a few reliable sources. Combine clear textbooks with solved examples and interactive simulations to see principles in motion. Record short voice or video explanations of tough topics, then revisit them for spaced review. Collaborate with peers to teach each other, since explaining reveals gaps, and keep a focused routine that balances reading, practicing, and reviewing for steady progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.